HIMS stock analysis and HIMS stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've seen what's working for me and what is not. Especially with HIMS and HERS. Bro, I've seen just this little correction, and honestly, like, it's 3% down yet again. Like, I'm kind of not scared, but it will be freaking, it will suck if I have a break-even hit after idea that I called out here in March, right? Boom, 31st of March. That's when it was called out in my disc. And since then, I mean, only if I see the double break confirmation, only then I'm willing to take it further up. But I'm just saying the rules are going to need to be met. And if they're not, then bro, I guess I'm not going to be buying this. So just briefly waiting, just need to see more candles appear in the chart. And I do have previous receipts with HIMS in the Discord, and actually quite a lot. So if you do want to learn how to make 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I'll keep you updated. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.